Hey, if you don't have anything to do tomorrow, Saturday, September 23rd, you should check out the Cars of Grapeland in Grapeland, Texas. They're going to be putting on a car show at the Grapeland's Part House. And you should come out and check out Old Mac. We're also going to have Josh's truck. He's going to be out there with a red C10. And then after that, I think that starts at 10 to 1. And then after that, we're going to head over to Link Street in Palestine, Texas. There's another car show. You go down Link Street like 5 miles, and there's a community center out there, and they're going to be selling fish plates for I think around 13 bucks, and it's to help out their community center out there in Palestine on Link Street. So if you don't have anything to do, come out, check it out, and it'll be a good time.